YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a wick and flint in a zippo. Right, first of all, what you want to do, well, what I'm doing is I'm taking the wick out of this one because it's a bit short but it's long, but this has only got like an inch in it. This is not a real zippo, it's not even a zippo, just a normal lighter. That needs a new wick. So I'm got a brand new wick here. I'm going to replace that one, take this one out and then put it in the other one. So right, put that to the side. Zippo, original, everything's Zippo, and the fuel. Right, so what you want to do is you want to take the insert out first. Right, and then here's your insert. You want to take out the flint and screw, and the flint, and then to the side. Then you want to take the felt pad out, and then you'll need to take out the rayon balls, or the cotton balls, whatever ones you've got in it. Right, okay. So let's just take them out. This one's packed in. So there's one. Should be about 5 or 6 in it. Okay. There's another one, 2. You can see the wick there. It's quite. This one's quite long. 3. There's another one. 4. 5. There's 5 there. And you can see the bottom. There's the bottom of the wick there, and there's the 6th rayon ball. Let's just push that in a bit. That's one you don't need to take out. You can take it if you want to, but there's no point. Right, now what you want to do is you just pull it out either way. Let's see, pair of pliers here. Just pull it out that way. There we go. They're about 4 inch long. So this one has been cut before. Right, put that one to the side. I'm going to put these up so they can evaporate up at the window. Because I'll put proper zip on it, it just had cheap crap in it. Right, okay, now we've got the zippo. Now you have to feed it through that hole. If you want to clean it, you could do it like clean the inside of it. Then now, Miles have got it out, but I've cleaned mine recently anyway. So you have to feed it. It's going to be quite hard. Try and roll up the end so it's not as frayed as much. And then feed it. Let's see. A minute. Give me a second. Right, okay, you can see I've got a bit through there. So now what you want to do is you want to put it to the side so it doesn't slip down. And then get a pair of pliers. Try and or try and push it through either way. Almost. Almost got it. There we go. So I put about maybe about that much to now. Right, so just fold that over like that. Just a little tiny bit. So it hooks on and doesn't come back. Right, now we're going to need to put the rayon balls back in. So what you want to do is you want to just push this down so it's flat up against there. Now you get your first rayon ball. You want to put it in there. Nice and tight. Make sure you've got your wicket. And then hold it out over again. Put in another rainbow. Let's put in one more. And then fold it over last time. Push that over like that. So it's like a zigzag. So it's... And then I'll just go across there and you put it in your last couple. I'll try and see if we can spread these ones out if I can fill up that gap. And the last one, that one goes to behind there. Okay. That's tough to get in. Right, there we go. Right, that's it. That's it. Right, now what you want to do is you want to just... You want to cut... Maybe... Shuffle with that line. So you just cut that piece off and then let me do that. There you go. That's that cut. Now, okay, right. Now you'll fill it. Oh, do how we've got the safety thing. Just cut that bit off. A lot easier to get to. Right, so fill it up now. What you should do is, oh crap, just poured that everywhere. Right, for 5 seconds, just spread it around evenly. Stop for a minute, let it soak in, and then do it another 5 seconds. That should be at full. So let's do this. There we go. Let that soak in. Usually you just put it in the thing. It doesn't matter if it leaks out. And again. Yeah, that should be it. Just not that was going all day. Okay, and then that's it full. Okay, now you would put your... Let's put a new flint in it actually. Okay, let's put a new flint in. Oh. There we go, there's our new flint in. Now we'll put in the pad first. Oh, doesn't fit just right now because this bit's... Oh, right. I think I put this round ball in the wrong place. I'll try and see if I can squeeze it down a bit more, but I'll just... That'll do now, fix it in a minute. Front screw back in. Screw it back up. The felt pad will soak up some of it. Okay. Right, and then put it back in the zippo. Right, I can see the wick isn't wet, so what we'll do is this is called priming the wick. Just a couple of drops of lighter fluid. Put your can back down, and there we go. I'll do that for a couple of seconds until it's... I'll just... Yeah, so that's how you refill a zippo and new flint and a new wick. So comment and